So today I'm breaking down Authorize.net and showing how US small businesses actually set up payments using this platform. But before we walk through the steps, here's the part most beginners never discover. If your transactions keep getting declined, or customers say their card won't go through, there's one hidden Authorize.net setting that fixes it instantly. I'll show you where that sits later in the video. First, let's talk about what Authorize.net really is, because it's not just another payment gateway. Authorize.net actually acts like the middle layer between your website and the bank. It handles card validation, fraud checking, recurring billing, invoicing, and secure checkout. All the boring but crucial things that keep small businesses from losing money on failed transactions. Now, here's where the transformation happened. A small business can go from, I don't know how to accept online payments, to, I'm accepting cards, subscriptions, and invoices within the same day. That's because once you created your account, Authorize.net gives you a virtual terminal, a simple API for online stores, and built-in fraud protection you can turn on with a single toggle. And remember that hidden setting I mentioned? It's part of the advanced fraud detection suite, and enabling it instantly reduces false declines, which means more approved payments and fewer abandoned checkouts. So here's the real answer. If you're a US small business owner needing a stable, secure, and long-running payment gateway, especially for websites, memberships, or service invoices, Authorize.net is still one of the most reliable tools out there. Now, if you want a simple walkthrough on setting up your Authorize.net account from scratch, drop a comment and don't forget to like, subscribe for more easy US business tool guides.